So today we'll discuss about the law of transformers. As you can see, this is a alternating current waveform, and this is voltage and this is time. So this peak of this waveform is a positive voltage and this is a negative voltage. So there are two simple laws that govern the behavior of a transformer. So the voltage into of the circuit is proportional to the number of turns in two coils. Number of turns in primary and number of turns in secondary is equal to the voltage in primary and voltage in secondary. We'll discuss the first law of transformer, that is primary coil has 100 turns. It has 100 turns and secondary coil has 3000 turns. So it is called step up transformer में होता है ना ये. अगर potential difference across the primary coil is 100 volt, number of turn जो है आपके number of turns in primary is equal to the voltage in primary and number of turns in secondary is equal to the voltage in secondary. ठीक है. अगर आपका पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस द कॉइल इज 100 वोल्ट, ठीक है, देन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस सेकेंडरी कॉइल विल बी वॉट. सो 100 is your turns, then your voltage in the primary is 100. If the secondary coil has number of turns 30,000, then what will be the voltage in the secondary coil? That also will be equal to the number of coils na. So that will be 30,000 volts. Step up and step down transformer आपको पता ही है कि when there is a more number of turns in a secondary coil, that is called step up transformer. If there is a fewer number of turns, very fewer numbers of turns and more number of turns in a primary coil, then that is called the step down transformer. Now come to the second law of a transformer. What is the second law of transformer? It is nothing, it is simply a restatement of law of conservation of energy. Transformer cannot create energy itself when there is an increase in voltage. So they must go together, like related decrease, they will have the related decrease in a current. If the voltage is decreased, then current will increase. So voltage in primary is current in primary is equal to the voltage in secondary and current in secondary. So voltage and current. So this is an example. Voltage across the primary coil is 100 volt. Voltage across the secondary coil is 30,000 volt. अगर current primary coil में 30 ampere है, what will be the current in the secondary coil? So what is the formula? Formula is voltage into primary coil and into current in primary coil is equal to the voltage in secondary coil and current into the secondary coil. So what is the voltage? That is 100 and what is the current? That is 30. So it is equal to 3000. So what is the voltage in secondary? That is 30,000. ठीक है, that is 30,000. So 3000 divided 30,000, it is 0.1 ampere. So the current in secondary coil is 0.1 ampere. What is a power? Power is the product of voltage and current. So if the potential difference is in volt and the current is in amperes, तो then power जो है वो किस में होएगी? आपकी वाट्स में होएगी. ठीक है, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस आपका वोल्टेज है, वोल्ट में है, और करंट आपका जो है एम्पियर्स में है, एम्पियर्स में है आपका करंट, तो जो पावर है वो वाट्स में होगी. सो द वाट्स इज इक्वल टू द वोल्टेज जो आपकी है, वोल्टेज कहाँ है? अक्रॉस द सर्किट इनटू द करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द सर्किट. सो वॉट्स कितने के बराबर है? जूल पर सेकेंड. वॉट्स इज इक्वल टू जूल पर सेकेंड. सो अगर 1 वाट है तो 1 जूल पर सेकेंड है, क्योंकि वाट जूल पर सेकेंड के बराबर है, तो 1 वाट हुआ 1 जूल पर सेकेंड के बराबर. तो 1 किलो वाट इज equal to the 1000 joule per second, because 1 kilowatt is equal to the 1000 watt. So what is a summary? So summary में स्टेप अप ट्रांसफार्मर में क्या है, जब वोल्टेज इंक्रीज होती है तो करंट डिक्रीज होता है. स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर में वाइस वर्सा है, वोल्टेज डिक्रीज होती है और करंट इंक्रीज होता है. सो देयर आर 2 मेन सर्किट्स इन एक्सरे यूनिट्स. वन इज अ स्टेप अप ट्रांसफार्मर, सेकेंड इज अ स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर. स्टेप अप ट्रांसफार्मर क्या करता है, ये सप्लाई करता है हाई वोल्टेज टू द ट्यूब. स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर क्या करता है, ठीक है. सेकेंड सर्किट कौन सा है आपका, स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर. स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर सप्लाइज द पावर दैट हीट द फिलामेंट ऑफ ट्यूब.